I'm on my way to Ocean One building in Sunny Isle Beach. I'm in the beach right now, walking to that building. Uh, the beach is a little bit messy because last night was July the 4th, so you're gonna see the beach a little bit messy. And this is what I like about Sunny Isles. The cleaning crew is they're gonna be there in any minute. By 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the morning, the whole beach is gonna be very, very clean. But having said that, let me show you the building that I'm gonna review right now, which is the Ocean One building in Sunny Isle Beach. And the reason I'm going over there on the back of the building is because I have a client overseas that he wants to buy something there. So I have to use, not only do video just to tour the beach, I use AI also to find the market trending, if it's a good investment. I did. I use AI to find how many rentals are available, how many properties for sale, what's the future market trending in the next 1, 2, 3 years, if it's a good investment. So let's go and analyze that building. I'm gonna show you the one that I'm talking about, Ocean One. You see, even though the beach is a little bit messy, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Today is Sunday, July the 5th, and people actually are doing yoga. Most of the people are sleeping still. It was like 1, 2 in the morning. I still can hear the fireworks. But still, some people doing yoga, like every Sunday, and some people fishing. But anyway, this is the building, Ocean One, that I want to tell you more about it. And this is the back of the building. So what not many people knows about Ocean One, and I'm gonna tell you very interesting data. In the 1950s and 1960s, you see all these skyline of luxury condos, all the way down to the piers down there, which 150, 163, way back there. What people don't know, but in the 1950s and 1960s, all these skyline of buildings on my back, there was nothing. There were little motels, motels and motels. And they used to call this, once they start doing the building, they call the Florida Riviera. People wanted to come here and live by the beach. And Ocean One was one of the first buildings that they start building up to create this Florida Riviera. One of the first buildings that map out the whole beach. So Ocean One, right now they have only one listing available for rentals. Usually they have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and they go anywhere between 2,000 to 2,000 to 3,000 square feet of living square feet. So right now there is one listing. It's a 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and it's renting for, I think it's $5,700 a month. The good thing about this building is that people come over here because privacy, because you can only rent on a yearly basis. There are no short-term rentals because people want to keep very private. They have valet parking, tennis courts, they have concierge, they have all type of amenities. Let me show you a little bit more about it. This is the back of the building, right here. So as I was saying, there is only one listing for rent. It's a 2 bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms, and it's go for 5,700, 1 year lease. It was listed on June. Yes, it was listed on June of actually this month. So I'm gonna send a listing to my buyer overseas, and there are about, over here on the back, there are about 8 units to rent, 8 units to sell. They go anywhere between $1.5 million to $1.9 million. They're around, they're 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 bedrooms, and 2.5 bathrooms. So for 1.5 to 1.9, there are properties available right now for selling in Ocean One Sunny Isle Beach, one of the most prestige areas in Florida. So you're gonna notice also today the beach is really dirty. It's called sargasso. Sargasso comes usually the warmer month in June, July, August, all the way from the Atlantic. And usually they last 1 day, 3 days. It could last a week, but today it's really bad. But the good things about it is that, as I said, the cleaning crew usually have the place very clean in no time. Would you say these sargassos is impacting the value of the condos in Sunny Isles? No, it doesn't impact. It doesn't have an impact in the market of the condos because it lasts a few days. In the next few days, everything, the water is going to be clean and nice. So I'm going to go back to my office, my home office, and I'm going to say everything is available. All these 8 units in Ocean One over here on the back, right here. And it's a beautiful day today, July the 5th. Today is Sunday. I guess it's going to be a lot of people. Everybody's kind of sleeping, waiting for the soccer game. Today is going to be a soccer game for Easter time. I think it's Brazil, Netherlands. So anyway, so I'm using AI to find the market trending, and I also use AI to tell my client if it's a good investment, what values, what properties, how much are they going to go up in value. And usually this building, this condo, you don't have too many for rentals or too many for sale. So the price value trending usually goes up every year. This is one of the buildings that doesn't get devaluated. So here in Sunny Isle Beach, then you have luxury, you have Regalia. We want to talk about Regalia, which is on the back over here. This is one of the most amazing buildings, right here, Regalia. And then you have Ocean 2 right here. This one right here. And then you have Armani Casas, Ocean 3, Porch, Trump Tower. I'm gonna do a recall. We're gonna talk about that every day from now on. So you're planning to find something or move to Florida Riviera. Look at today, 7 o'clock in the morning. Look how beautiful day. And you wanna find out more about it, what's for rent. I just rent a place about a week ago. 5 minutes away from the beach. You see that building over there? It's 5 minutes away from the beach. Actually, it's a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. I rented for $1,900. It's only 5 minutes away from the beach. Very nice with a 700 square feet terrace, balcony terrace. So if you're somebody that wants to move to the Riviera, Florida Riviera, and is looking to buy or to rent anywhere from South Beach, which is way back there, going south, or you want to go all the way north to Fort Lauderdale, West Palm Beach, Broward County, West Palm Beach, just send me a message. By the way, join the channel if you think this video is something that's going to help you as a buyer or seller for luxury condos and luxury houses. Join the channel and send me a message and tell me, are you planning to rent, to buy? Because I can help you analyze the market trending and tell you if it's worth to buy or to sell. A lot of people say, well, the market is down, the market is crashed, completely down in South Florida. Well, if I check the MLS, you'll be surprised. I see houses, condominiums, 1, 2, 3, $4 million. They're selling every day. Every day they're closing. Of course, most of them are coming from out of the state, New York, California. Many South American from Brazil, Colombia, Mexico, Peru, Ecuador. A lot of people investing from overseas, from India, from China. So let me know you want to know more about it, because I can look for the trending, what building is going to go up in value and it's going to hold your equity, it's going to hold your money as an equity. A lot of people buy over here and they never leave over here. They come once a week, once a year, because this is the way that they bank their money. Instead of putting the money in the bank in a country that probably they're going to lose it, they buy a condo and they rent it. So, by the way, many people that want to get into the business of real estate, either they are real estate agents right now, they're planning to be a realtor, or they're planning to be a real estate investor. You don't know, but AI can help you find out who is going to sell before they put the property on the market. It can help you to analyze the trending of houses and people, their emotional issues, and who is going to put on the market before they put on the market. That's how strong AI can be for you if you plan to get into the business of real estate. Many people join real estate not because they like real estate, because it's one of the fastest way to create wealth. If you get into the luxury real estate and you sell a $3-5 million house, you can make anywhere between $75,000 and $100,000 in commission. So yes, real estate is one of the fastest ways to make money and create wealth and create your legacy. I like to meet every week. Every week we have a live Zoom meeting where we do a little bit of consulting, advising to people that want to get into the business of real estate, or they are realtors or investors and they're having a hard time to upscale their business or to get a listing. So you want to get involved in this meeting, you want to join us every week in our meeting, comment below. Tell me, what do you think about the real estate market now in Florida? And comment below and tell me, in what state are you? See the people in the cleaning crew from Sunny Isle Beach already driving around and preparing the strategy to clean up the whole beach. In about an hour, 2 hours, everything's going to be very nice and clean. Sunday night's going to be very nice, very hot. They say it's going to be a little bit of rain and very hot. So comment below, tell me, where are you located, what state, or what city, what country, and how long you've been doing real estate, and how your real estate business is going. Or you have any advice? See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I think I'm gonna show you. Tomorrow I'm going to show you Ocean 2. And I'm gonna tell you what's available in Ocean 2. Remember, we just saw Ocean 1 right there. Then you have the Marco Polo Ramada Inn, and we're gonna talk about Ocean 2 right here. I'm gonna find out what's available for rent or for sale. But my client and his wife, they really want Ocean 1. So I'm gonna have to focus in Ocean 1 today, which is here on the back. But I'll tell you more about Ocean 2 tomorrow, because it could be a good opportunity, something to buy or to rent in Ocean 2. See you guys tomorrow. Make sure to join the channel and comment below, how's your business or real estate going, or any other business where you're using AI.